How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a cool 66 Chevelle SS Tribute. This car's had a complete frame-up build done in Maserati Rosso Red. Super cool car. All the grill moldings, bumpers, all been replaced. Car was built about 2 years ago. Car's nice and straight down the sides. All the emblems, all the trim have been replaced on the car. Tail lights. All the glass is very nice on the car. See, the car looks real good, nice straight down the sides. Got the dual mirrors. It's got a set of Boyd Coddington wheels. It's got 4-wheel power disc brakes with drilled slotted rotors. It's got a stout little 383 aluminum headed. Makes over 400 horse. It's got sniper fuel injection. Again, it's got the power 4-wheel disc, a power steering, all billet pulleys, custom aluminum radiator and dual fans. Very nicely detailed. It's got a 700 R4 overdrive trans. 10-bolt limited slip rear. All the jambs are real nice. All the interior's been redone. And it is a factory bucket seat console car. The headliner looks real good. All the seat covers have been done, door panels, new carpet. It's got the original 2-spoke sport wheel in it. All inside the trunk looks real good. So these 66s are kind of my favorite. And it's got the sniper fuel injection control head there. It's retrofit AM/FM stereo with the iPod capability. It's got the custom kick panel speakers and rear speakers. Fires right off. Set of headers, dual flow masters out the back. Again, it's got the 4-wheel disc. The car's got a nice stance to it. Check our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can also visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. It's just a cool car, and the overdrive and the fuel injection, it's just a lot of fun to drive.